Hey, this is Berwin, the lead tutor from Berleaf Education. Today, we are taking a look at a fraction word problem that can be solved using branching method. Now, if you are unfamiliar with this method, please check out the video link in the description right below before moving on. Now, let's take a look at the question. A group of boys and girls went to an art exhibition. There were 180 girls at first. When 4/5 of the boys and 2/3 of the girls left the exhibition, the number of boys and girls who remained became 135. How many boys were there at first? Alright, let's first highlight the important information found in this question. Okay. Now, the branching method is particularly useful in this scenario as it helps us organize the information provided and break down the problem into manageable parts. Now, by visualizing the different components and their relationship, we can gain a better understanding of how to approach the question and devise an effective solution. So let's dive into drawing the branch diagram. Okay. We have a group of children made up of boys and girls. Not knowing the exact value of boys, we shall just represent them by the letter B. And the other branch will represent girls, which is 180 of them as provided in the question. Now we know that 4/5 of the boys left the exhibition, so we proceed to extend and have it 4/5 here, and we name it left. As each branch of the diagram represents a part of the whole, since we don't have any more information about the boys, we will take one whole minus 4/5 to get the fraction of boys remaining at the exhibition. That would be 1/5. So we call this R sub B, which means remaining boys. We'll do the same for the girls, where we know that 2/3 of them were left. So left, and there we go, 2/3. Okay, and therefore the girls remaining, which we call R sub G, would be 1/3. Okay, lastly, 135 children remaining at the exhibition, we can represent it in this portion over here, which is the addition of the sum of R sub B and R sub G. Okay, now since the girls remaining became 1/3, right, and of 180 over here, we can simply work out the numeric value of this fraction by, let's write it out first. R sub G is actually 1/3 because of this line over here. This would be a times and by 180. Okay, so 1/3 times 180 giving us this would be 60. And we will have 60 girls and they are the remaining ones, right? Okay. Alright. Moving forward, these 60 girls, they are part of 135 over here because you sum up these two guys over here, right? As such, we are able to find R sub B, which is the remaining boys, by simply using 135 minus 60, giving us 75, which represents the number of boys remaining at the exhibition. Okay, as we can see, this 1/5 is actually represented by this 75 over here. Let's first write it down for easy reference. 1/5. Okay. And with the understanding of a part-whole concept, we are able to find the total number of boys, which is represented by 5 out of 5. Let's write it out. Boys is represented by 5 out of 5, which therefore we use 75 times 5 to get us the total number of boys, which is 395 in total. And voila, there we go. This is how we solve this question. Now, if you have found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on our social media, which is Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for more of this useful content. So Meanwhile, keep on practicing and I will see you soon to solve the next question. Take care.